When I remember baby, water run away my eyes. Aye, water run away my eyes.
Oh yeah, you do me and you will die. I don't care. You do my first one. First of all, I don't care. You will die.
But this one will say signal to baby J. Say me. I want to kuboe or nyai.
I did not say my father to collect money from my account. No way. Arrested.
Do you know that fool has now? I'm not being allowed for only one flat.
Mama, go also up with your best house.
You can run, but you can't hide. Again, but then, we all can, you know.
I will let her, not the apple. And everybody will not come up with that for me and my papa. We will go for inside. I don't talk her.
Need light, eh?
You need to change information to 315.
Oh,
I may help you guys.
Come on, shut up! You get what you want to airport.
Oh, marvelous! Okay! Martin Gasson!
Maybe I'm wearing her, man. You should have put you in the case for that matter. I'm at you up when it's not that one on my mind.
Hold it! I will fight you with everything within my power.
This time around, I want one. Now, yes, and I will do so. Baby J. Wait for me.
Berry! Berry. If I know what say, give me whatever one I am. Say your last prayers. Why ya fe. Berry. Mutia keme. We are still coming from you. We are still coming for you. Madenwe. Okuta kwekwe na fokere. Yeka. No sooner than since January last year. Amen.
First son, you are. Marvelous, you are my first son, you are. You are criminal. Marvelous, you are a thief. And Dominic, you are my first son. I don't care. You die for it. Criminal is to be killed.
For party to happen,
Oh, marvelous, 250,000. Go be like that again. Oh. Another 50,000. Let me tell you again. Marvelous, don't kill me. Marvelous.